In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace templates effectively. Squarespace is a fantastic platform for building websites, whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh your existing site. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can get started with ease. First, you'll need to visit the official Squarespace website. If you're new to Squarespace, creating a new account is the way to go because it instantly grants you access to their services for free, at least for a trial period. This is a great opportunity to explore what Squarespace has to offer without any upfront commitment. As you begin setting up your account, you'll be prompted to answer a series of questions. These questions are designed to understand what type of website you want to create. Don't rush through these. Consider them carefully as they will guide Squarespace in tailoring suggestions that best fit your needs. Whether you're building a blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio, providing accurate information here sets a strong foundation for your site. Moving forward, you'll face a choice: selecting a pre-made template or using Squarespace's AI to help build one for you. Both options have their merits, but in this particular walkthrough, we're going to focus on choosing a pre-made template. Squarespace offers a variety of beautifully crafted templates that cater to different needs and aesthetics, so take some time to browse through the options before making your decision. Once you've found a template that resonates with your vision, the next step involves selecting color presets. Colors are a vital aspect of your site's overall look and feel, so choose a palette that aligns with your brand identity or the mood you wish to convey. After settling on a color scheme that you're happy with, click Start with this design to make it the foundation of your new site. With your new site freshly created, it's time to bring your personal touch into the mix. Click on Edit Site to start customizing it according to your preferences. From the layout to the text and images, customization options are quite rich, allowing you to make sure your site genuinely reflects your unique style and content. As you go through the customization process, remember how important it is to save any changes you make. Squarespace doesn't automatically save your progress like some other platforms might, so make it a habit to click Save regularly to avoid losing any adjustments or additions you've made. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to navigate and use Squarespace templates to kickstart your website design. With these tools at your disposal, you can create a stunning, professional-looking website in no time. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website building journey on Squarespace.